Lexus has unveiled its bold vision for the future of luxury sedans with the 2025 Lexus ES, showcased at the Shanghai Auto Show. As Toyota's luxury division moves further into electrification, the new 8th-generation Lexus ES pushes the boundaries of design and performance. Gone is the oversized grille, replaced by a more angular and modern aesthetic that hints at the future of the brand. The redesigned ES not only offers a refreshed look, but also introduces the model's first-ever electric powertrains. Inspired by Lexus' existing electric SUV, the RZ, as well as the RX ICE counterpart and the 2023 LFZL concept, the 2025 Lexus ES takes on a more aggressive, fastback shape compared to its predecessor. Its design evokes a sense of sophistication with sharp, angular lines that lend the vehicle a sporty presence, yet still maintain Lexus' signature luxury appeal. Some critics have noted that the new ES shares some styling elements reminiscent of Audi's design language, especially with its sleek, sharp profile. However, the design remains undeniably Lexus, especially in the details like the front face, which clearly differentiates it from other vehicles in the segment. Size-wise, the 2025 ES has grown, offering more room both in length and wheelbase. The overall length has increased by 6.5 inches to a total of 202.4 inches, and the wheelbase has been stretched by 3.2 inches to 116.1 inches. This increase in size is expected to provide more interior space, offering enhanced comfort for both drivers and passengers. One of the most significant changes is under the hood, where Lexus introduces not only traditional hybrid options, but also fully electric variants. The design of the front end subtly reflects these powertrain differences. 4 hybrid models. A cooling slot is positioned below the Lexus badge, while the electric versions sport a smoother, sleeker front nose. Most importantly, the traditional oversized grille has been ditched, making way for a more refined and modern look. Inside, the Lexus ES takes a big step into the future with an all-new interior that embraces the digital age. The traditional physical buttons have been replaced with large, high-tech screens, making for a cleaner, more minimalist cabin. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and the 14-inch infotainment touchscreen come standard on all models, with some trims offering an additional touchscreen on the passenger side for added convenience. Also noteworthy is the new Lexus lettering on the steering wheel, replacing the traditional emblem, and the updated bamboo wood trim that brings a touch of nature to the luxury cabin. Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus ES offers a range of powertrain options, starting with a base hybrid in most markets featuring a 2.0-liter engine that produces 194 horsepower. This powertrain allows the ES to reach 62 miles per hour in 9.4 seconds, which is adequate but not particularly fast. For North America, however, the ES will skip this base model and jump straight to the more powerful 2.5-liter AWD ES 350h hybrid, delivering 244 horsepower and a more respectable 7.8 second 0 to 62 miles per hour time. For those seeking a fully electric experience, the ES also offers 2 EV variants. The standard EV produces 221 horsepower and reaches 62 miles per hour in 8.9 seconds, while delivering an estimated range of 300 miles on the optimistic Chinese CLTC cycle. The dual-motor ES 500e, on the other hand, boosts performance with 338 horsepower and a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 5.9 seconds, though its range drops to 379 miles. These electric variants mark a significant shift for Lexus, indicating the brand's commitment to embracing electrification in its luxury vehicles. The 2025 Lexus ES will go on sale in 2026, likely as a 2027 model in North America. Pricing details are still scarce, but this latest iteration of the ES is expected to offer even more luxury, performance, and electrification options than ever before. With the introduction of electric powertrains alongside hybrid options, the Lexus ES positions itself as a serious contender in the evolving luxury sedan market. So what do you think of the new 2025 Lexus ES? Does its fresh design and electrified powertrains excite you? Or does it leave you wanting more? Share your thoughts in the comments below.